As a county government, we are also liaising with the Ministry of Education to ensure that we map out those schools and attach to a health facility. We have been sensitizing our public health officers so that they can be visiting those schools, checking on compliance, and even attending to cases if need be. Teachers have a lot of work, and we don't want to overburden them. They are supposed to go to class and teach, but the rest of us, especially those staff from the Ministry of Health, staff from our Department of Health, we must support teachers. We have put in place measures to ensure that we have counselors. We may not have as many as the number of schools that we have within the county, but we want to strengthen even guidance and counseling units in our respective schools so that they can support our children. Some of them are coming from homes that have been affected by COVID, and there is a lot of stigmatization. So we want to strengthen counseling, not only because of the issues of COVID. Some of our children who are going back to school, especially girls, some of them are pregnant. So, and somehow they have been destabilized socio-emotionally, and they need a lot of support. So we'll be partnering with the school administration and our teachers to ensure that they are given proper counseling so that they can readjust to life and continue with their studies.
Personally, I've been in Japan for the last 4 years, and when the COVID-19 happened, we thought that we could give back to the society and give back to our people. So we reached out to friends in Japan, and together we were able to pool resources here and there. And our initial plan was to get masks from Japan and bring them back home here. However, given the limited resources, we obviously couldn't support all the schools. But yes, so we decided that instead of importing masks to Kenya, we thought that we can work with local community. Obviously, the last year, 2020, has been a very difficult year for everyone, even in Japan and in Kenya as well. And so we also wanted this project to help other people who have lost jobs. I know you've been reading news, and some of you are from media houses. A lot of people have lost jobs, so we also wanted to contribute back home in terms of being a source of income to some people. So we are able to identify a few groups that are working with disadvantaged people in the community, specifically people in the slums. So we identified two organizations based in Mukuru slums in Nairobi and one in Githurai, and we were able to procure masks from them, and the masks are reusable, and they have been done according to the Ministry of Education guidelines. So we hope that the living support that we are able to get through the friends in Japan will go a long way.
We intend to provide reusable or washable masks for a total of 53,000 ECD learners. I also want to recognize the role of JICA, or Japan government, in support of education. I know His Excellency knows about the SMASE program. Bomet County was a beneficiary. We have 4 SMASE centers, Kaplong, Shongiroi, and Tenwek. That is a strengthening of mathematics, science, and technology. So we appreciate Japan for being a very strong partner. I know this is the beginning. We look forward to other opportunities, especially in ECD, so that we can partner even in terms of capacity building, production of teaching and learning materials.